Welcome to episode 5, where we discuss how to keep the conversation going. Logical reasoning is key to engaging your targets in a persuasive approach that keeps them interested in the conversation. Focus is the name of the game, and that's exactly where your objectives, winning a deal, meets their needs and interests, which are represented by your value proposition. Your business will need both persistence and persuasive approach to keep going. For new prospects or even existing customers with new leads, a persuasive conversational approach helps you stay focused on the target while maintaining a personalized and specific attention to the lead itself. On the other hand, persistence helps your business stay in touch with all your contacts without the need to be pushy or rejected. For a nice balance, I recommend using Cheers Video Mail targeted automation campaigns. When the recipient replies back, make sure to answer as soon as possible. A timely and attentive message is imperative to your conversation. In some cases, recipients don't reply back, but they view your message, watch your video, or click on a link you included. Make sure to contact them again in a couple of days with a new video message focused on their interaction. Cheers Video Mail can track their actions for you. Always keep your messages personalized, remind them of previous communication, and encourage them to keep the conversation going. Sometimes leads go cold. They're not lost yet and may be potential targets to new and different services and products. This also applies to existing clients. Be persistent, stay in their presence, and always communicate with them. This is also called stay in touch. With Cheers Video Mail campaign automation, you can periodically send them interesting news, newsletters, announcements, offers, and many more. This is a gentle way of being persistent to win them over and over again. What happens if leads are won? And what happens if they are lost? Let's discuss that in our final episode.